Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Intro music fades out. Welcome back to MetaQuest Hub. I'm your host today. If you're a MetaQuest user, chances are you've experienced frustration with the headset at some point, and we're not talking about those adorable puppets that come with each device. This week, though, Quest users were faced with something more serious. Their headsets just wouldn't turn on. Audio clip of frustrated users. The problem started around Christmas time, with many new Quest 3 and 3's headsets unable to update properly, resulting in boot loops that had users stuck in an infinite loop. Some even scrambled for last-minute replacements or spent hours on support chats trying to fix their problem. But what went wrong? It turns out it wasn't a buggy update after all, at least not the kind Meta's engineers were expecting. Instead, it was a rare and long undetected bug in the Android open source project's read-write file system, known as AOSP R ext4 file system. Audio clip of technical explanation. The issue here is called a race condition, which occurs when two processes access shared data at the same time. This type of bug can be tricky to identify and fix because it relies on timing. You need to replicate exactly what happened in that instance for developers to understand and replicate the problem. In this case, the specific bug was 4 years old and had already been identified by Meta engineers. However, it wasn't a problem unique to Quest's Horizon OS. The issue with Quest is that it doesn't allow OS rollbacks, another factor that made things more difficult for users stuck in these cycles. But what happened next? Well, Mark Rabkin, Meta Vice President of Rare and Mr., took to X to explain the situation and assure us that his team worked day and night to identify the root cause. They tracked down a rare race condition issue caused by file corruption during updates. Those crucial OS updates you need for your new device. Audio clip of Mark Rabkin's response on X in an impressive display of digital detective work. Meta engineers were eventually able to pinpoint the source of the problem and craft a fix. However, instead of just sticking with their own solution, they chose to share it with the broader AOSP community, essentially upgrading everyone else too. You might wonder why this matters to you as a user. Well, it's essential for understanding how your Quest headset works under the hood. It also shows that even seemingly insurmountable problems can be solved if engineers put their minds together and are willing to learn from others. Audio clip of a tech-related story. Now, some among us might wonder, what about jailbreaking? Since Quest has become quite protective lately, especially when it comes to modifications or custom ROMs, the idea of users tinkering with their own headsets can be daunting. However, there is no widely confirmed jailbreak for Quest 3 at this point, although some users are experimenting. It's worth noting that attempts have been made before, even attracting a crowd-funded campaign in the past that resulted in an intriguing but ultimately debunked method using a virtual machine to emulate a boot unlock. So why should you care about these? Engineers hunting down bugs? Well, while it might seem like just another tech-related issue, one day it could be what saves humanity from extinction by Terminators. Outro music starts playing. Thanks for sticking with us on MetaQuest Hub.